Alrighty guys, All Pro Mobile Detailing back with another car. Doing a headlight restoration on this one. Headlights aren't too bad. Camera doesn't pick it up the best, but it is not smooth to the touch. It's kind of yellow, faded, especially right in this upper area. Some yellowing, certain spots. This vehicle has water spots. We're not doing a polish and a wax. It's a basic detail with a headlight restoration. Obviously the wheels need some attention. This vehicle was driven from Georgia to Florida, so it's got your normal grime on it from a road trip. And a deep clean the interior as well. The leather seats haven't been cleaned since we purchased the vehicle. The center armrest needs quite a bit of work, so we're going to tackle that. Clean this interior. It's not too bad, just some dust, pretty heavy layer of dust in some areas, but overall vehicle's not too dirty, but we're definitely going to make it look a lot better. There's our headlight restoration setup. Today we're using Chemical Guys V38 final polish. We have a 600 grit sandpaper, 1500 grit sandpaper. Got tape to tape off the areas we're not working on, oxidation remover, and the sealer and base coat. Alright guys, so I will get back to you once everything is finished here. Alrighty, so we're back with the BMW X1. Everything's all finished. Car came out super clean. Headlights much better. Water spots gone. Wheels came out pretty good. Whole car came out pretty clean. Super clean interior.